Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by picking where the big text will live. Select the cell or range now. Once selected, set the font family and a base size. This defines legibility. Make sure the font supports large glyphs, otherwise change it. Next, decide layout. Use wrap text to keep content visible or merge cells for a single banner. Choose the simpler one for your layout. This first step reduces rework later, so confirm alignment and cell height before proceeding. Now you scale and style the text to fill space. Increase the font size, try 48, 72, or enter a custom value, and watch the cell. Once done, manually tweak row height and column width so the letters don't clip. Make precise adjustments until the text sits cleanly. Apply bold or a shadow effect for improved contrast, and change text color if needed. Make sure to check wrap behavior and merge cell alignment so the appearance remains consistent. To finish, decide whether the cell approach is enough or if you need a text box for absolute control. Insert a text box and paste the text if you want exact placement. Once done, use Zoom and Print Preview to verify how it looks on screen and in print. If letters clip or wrap oddly, increase cell dimensions or convert the text to a shape or image. If problems persist, change the font or reduce size slightly. That usually fixes overflow.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.